Yet, a high school teacher in the Northland mixed together some unusual ingredients to make this lesson stick.
Gives them a whole new way to think about civics. As Fox 4's Pat McGonigal explains, that is the icing on the cake.
So my cake is layered because it shows the state has the control of elections, not the federal government.
Cooking up something creative at Oak Park High School.
You're going to walk away thinking, whoa, we spend our money on this?
It's not home economics. It's an advanced lesson on the functions of the U.S. government. And yes, these are cakes.
High school kids always enjoy food, and trying to think of different creative ways to kind of get them involved besides just looking at a textbook or watching a video.
And it's working. Here's how the kids are grasping the relationship between the three branches of the federal government with a layered cake.
People always say that the legislative branch is the foundation of our government and what keeps it together. So you have that on the bottom keeping the cake up.
While some of the other tasty concoctions are a baked-in example of how the federal government works with the states.
A lot of people don't understand a lot of government through just conventional methods. Sometimes you have to get a little creative with it.
It's definitely creative, and it looks tasty, too. Who knew civics class could be this delicious?
With high school kids, you can never go wrong with food.